Oh, there's Mamba by your waterfall. Hello, Mamba. Well, hello, yeah. You a pretty girl? Huh? Pretty girl? And then we got Rainbow. Hello, Rainbow. Hello, Rainbow. Yeah, you're a good boy, huh? Yep, you like it? You like it here? Huh? Do you like it here, Rainbow? Yeah. You're a pretty bird? Huh? Yeah. What? What you doing? And then Zazu's cage, Nano's cage. And Cindy put their names on the wall, so and that's Isaiah's cage. Hey, buddy. Hey, Stinker. What are you doing in there? Huh? You give yourself a bath, did ya? And then up on the ceiling she put some clouds. What? What do you say, Rainbow? Huh? You're a pretty bird? Yeah. And the other two. I don't know if this is going to show up good. What are you doing, Zazu? Huh? Oh, okay. But that's the bird room all finished.